Hey people, isn't this thing in the dishwasher supposed to stink? Okay. It's not spinning, it's not doing anything, but yet they want to worry about their rent every 10th of every month, but don't want to do shit. Look at this. And they say, oh, it's a brand new model. Yeah, brand new model my ass.
Brand new model with a whole lot of residue.
Oh, brand new model, a whole lot of fucking residue.
I try to reset it. Look.
We try to reset it.
It's still, look, this is how bad it is.
This is how bad it is. Look.
That's not normal.
That's not normal for a dishwasher. Oh, just like when the first dishwasher I had started sparking and then it smelled like smoke. Oh, and that's when they did something about it because I told them, oh, what if this place catches on fire? You gonna blame me? I said, you ain't gonna blame me because if this place catches on fire because of this dishwasher now that I have, I said, I'll be taking you guys' ass to court. You're not gonna pull a fast one on me. I am a Sanchez. You do not fucking play with me when it comes to my finances and my rent. But yet, you want everything done every month of the 10th, want the money right then and there, but you guys don't want to fix shit. How about you talk to the other tenants that have been having issues besides the dishwasher, the toilet, the tub coming out, etc.? How about you do your damn job and maybe we'll work with you if you work with us. But no, since you don't want to work with us, this is all going on blast right on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, etc. Don't mess with the bull.